So I got me a new gadget I've been playing with. It is called the iq7. It's literally a mic that just kind of goes into the bottom of my iPhone and record it. You're supposed to clean up some of the audio. I'm gonna try it for the first time on this Purple Heart. Now let me show you with the regular microphone how it sounds. I'm out of shape. And that was the regular audio. I mean, really and truly, I thought it was a pretty different. I felt like a lot of the highs were pulled out from the recordings. I felt like you could hear the snare drum better with the zoom. What I didn't like about the zoom is like voice activated. The voice really wasn't as clear as I thought it might have been. But overall, I probably would buy it. It was only like $100.